So setting that seed of intention in the solar plexus, we're going to bring our hands in Anjali Mudra and closing our eyes and taking this time to dedicate our practice to what we would like to desire in our day and our practice, but also what we'd like to manifest. So setting the seed of intention. And as we hand our will and our life over to our care of our practice, allowing the prana, the energy behind the breath, to guide us, we're going to place our hands down to our thighs. Now we'll do a round of Kapalbhati. Now it's a wicking of energy from the base of the pelvic floor upwards and stoking this fire. So you're breathing out through the nose, short, sharp breaths. Now, please honor and respect your body. And if you feel very angry, intolerant, do it slow. If you feel very ungrounded and nervous and anxious, do it slow. But if you'd like, if you're dull and uninspired, do it quickly. So at your own pace, take a big deep breath in and exhale fully. Inhale halfway and start a round. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Exhale fully. Inhale halfway and another round. You might go a little bit quicker. Exhale. Inhale fully. And absorbing the residue of your practice already, that sense of changed attitude, of creating space and clearing the pathways to fulfill your desires today.